Hello everyone. Our group topic is a restaurant innovation. The group mate is the Fengxiang and the Dongyu. The first one is the market. The U.S. creating industry is the largest creating industry in the world. American creating companies represented by McDonald's and Starbucks have the branch in more than 100 countries around the world. With the economic of sale in the U.S. food and beverage market, income has increased. America can no longer be satisfied with the simple satisfaction, but the pursuit of it better. The second one is program. Let's repeat customers. When we pass the data analyze, many food and beverage outlets will find that the proportion of the old customers is very low, and the proportion of new passengers is very large. In fact, this is a dangerous signal, especially in the crowded pedestrian street, because your business starting from the beginning. There is no change and impact on the amounts, but the loss of the old customers shows that you have done a lot of sales and many customers have been taken away by others. The third one is solution. Designing an app about the restaurant as a service industry. The creating industry is very demanding on the property of users, and smartphone use as the world's largest user population with currently become the largest market for the creating industry. Our apps has 6 features. 1. Restaurant features. 2. Order food online. 3. Electric coupons. 4. My menu. 5. Store inquiry. 6. User sharing.
Our competition advantage is one share. Today, customers prefer to share information with others. For example, Facebook Inc. by creating an app that allow customers to post their own experience, which help promote the restaurant. To enhance the image of the restaurant. Through the app, the environment of the restaurant can be displayed, and the environment of the restaurant is also an important factor for the customer to consider. If the restaurant is willing to showcase its own environment, it will attract more customers, will enhance the image of the restaurant. Second, we will give them better customer experience. Many popular restaurants are overcrowded, and the waiter can take care of all of the customer. At this time, the app allows customer to pick up the phone and navigate to the restaurant, order food online, and automatically settle the fee, which not only reduce the service process the restaurant but also enhance the customer experience. And this is our business model. The user order food to the restaurant and share the app to the new user. The new user order go to the restaurant, and the restaurant will give the discount to the user. And when you go to the restaurant will give the feedback about which food is you like. And this is our team. Dongyu is the salesman, and Fengxiang is the software development individual. That's all.